The rental process in New York City. The bold shall win. If you've ever lived in New York City or have tried to rent an apartment here, you know that finding and, more importantly, securing a nice rental apartment is no easy feat. So here are my 5 tips to lock in the apartment of your dreams in the city. Number 1, have your shit together. What do I mean by that? When you apply for an apartment in the city, you need to present a rental application package, which can vary building by building, but in general includes the following: your tax returns, pay stubs, a landlord reference, and a letter from your employer. You'll also need to have your credit check pulled, so be sure to stay on top of that. Have all of these goodies ready to go in a neat little PDF and be ready to apply on the spot when you find the one. Number 2, be decisive. I get it, we all have FOMO, but when you find an apartment that you love, you need to be decisive in New York City. Inventory moves with a lightning speed, so you gotta be quick. Number 3, be flexible. Don't be nitpicky. I always say this to my clients: if you get 70% on your wish list, go for it. You can't have it all. Number 4, decide on a broker. While you technically can do it on your own, it will likely be a much bumpier ride and you won't have access to all of the available inventory. Scared of broker fees? I have a separate video just on that subject, so you be sure to check it out. Number 5, manage your expectations. See, this is just a rental apartment, so you are likely to move at some point, whether with a significant other or if you're ready to purchase an apartment of your own, which I can definitely assist with. So don't sweat the small stuff, as long as you're getting a good deal. A fun story: my first rental apartment had a hideous salmon pink bathroom that I hated, but overall the apartment was awesome and I was getting hell of a deal. These are just my 5 tips, so if you have any questions or comments, drop me a line below. If you or a friend is looking, send it their way. Toodaloo!